Hi, it's Ben from Startup Sesame, and today I'm taking you to the lounges. Let's go! Speakers lounge, press lounge, you may not have seen them, but I swear they are out there. Every event has a backstage area, and in case you were wondering, this is where VIPs hang out. And in my opinion, this is also where you should be spending time, connecting with investors, speakers, journalists, sponsors. The tricky part, of course, is that not everyone has access to these places. So how do you get in? Well, like most things in life, there is the normal way and the hacker way. The first one is basically to be officially on the list, because you're a speaker at the event, or a journalist, or an investor, right? But what if you're not? That's where you're gonna need some of that ingenuity, that mischievousness, if I may say. Some examples. Maybe you know someone who's got access and can easily get you in if you enter the room together. Or maybe you can befriend the people at the door, or maybe wait for them to leave so you can sneak in. I mean, maybe you can stick to a group who's going inside because they may just check the first couple people from the group. Some events do not really have an access control, and walking in with confidence is good enough to enter that VIP lounge. So keep this in mind. There's always a way to enter the backstage of each event. You just have to find out which one. Hi again, I hope you liked today's event hack. If you did, leave a like on this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We release new videos every week. And if you want to learn more about Sesamers, check out the links below. Bye!